Let's do this one together. So I've gotten my plain paper and I draw my line vertically, not horizontal this time around. So we will be taking a measurement of 3.5 centimeter with our compass and draw our circle. So to the tip of this plain paper itself, I draw my first circle. Okay, now after this I'll take a measurement of 9 centimeter from the tip of the circle downwards. Here is my 9 centimeter. So I'll be placing the tip of my pencil at that 9 centimeter point here now, and you draw a second circle. Alright, so now here my second circle goes. So now what we're going to do now is to connect the edge of the circle where the just by this way, all right, so that we kind of form an oval, small oval shape. Okay, so now we will rotate this paper so that we'll draw a center line where the two circles meet is the center. So we'll extend line here. All right, so this will be a guide for our extra strap. Now all we have to do here is divide the center line by 2.5 centimeter. That's 2.5 centimeter down and 2.5 centimeter up, giving us the 5 centimeter. So now I'll just make a mark by the far end of the horizontal line like so, and also here. Okay, 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, and I'll connect the dots and our pattern is ready. Okay, so I'll quickly do this and then we will move to the next stage. All right, so this line is supposed to be longer than this, but I'll extend it on my main pattern. So what I'm going to do is just to curve where the straight lines meet the oval shape, and I'll cut my pattern out. So here I've cut the pattern out, so I'm going to use it now to cut out my leader, and also measured 5 centimeter against 26 centimeter straps too. So now I've cut the leader. This is the main pattern we made, and these other two straps measured 5 centimeter against 26 centimeter, so you can make it longer. Now this is how you're going to fold this. Make sure that the two is even, that is making sure that you start the folding by the center like this. So what you're going to do now is to sew this together. I've threaded my needle on a fishing line. Okay, that's a clear thread. So I'll go ahead and sew it. I'll first sew one like so. I'm not going to cut it. All I have to do is to attach the second one. Please, while attaching the second one, make sure you don't twist it. Okay, make sure the line runs straight to the next strap. Okay, so I'll just pass my needle like so, and also turn it and pass it again the second time till I get to the end of the first strap where I started. Okay, so this is how you sew this these other straps together. So I'll just pass the needle till I get to the end. That's where I started. This is the first strap where we started. Okay, so now after passing this, draw it together. Make sure that everything sits pretty well and draw the two together. This is what we have. Our bow is set. So now we are going to add our bead. Still with our needle, not to cut it, we will thread our pearl. This is the first pearl bead we have. Then I'll be using a smaller bead of size 2 to stop it. So all you have to do is thread it, the two, and pass the needle again through the big bead. Okay, so the smaller bead stands as a stopper so that the needle, the thread stays in place. So all you have to do now is just push the needle back to the other end, then thread the second bead and pass it again through the leader, then secure the thread behind and put it out. So this is how you just do this. It's not difficult to do. Okay, so after this is just to couple. Now this is ready, and also the other one. We are not going to attach the two together. So I have prepared my outsole. So what we're going to do is apply adhesive on the vamp and couple. Now I've applied the adhesive to this, and we are going to couple it. First we will couple the oval we did earlier. Okay, the pattern we actually drafted. Then after coupling this, making sure that everything sits pretty well, we will now attach our bow to the top of it like so. Alright, so this is just a very simple design to do, nothing too difficult about it. So I will just make sure that everything sits pretty nice on my shoe last, and then we will fix it down. So here I'll just attach adhesive and fix this one that is flying here, then attach our outsole, and our footwear is ready. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and make one for yourself or for your customer. Comment if you have any question and I will be glad to answer it. Like, share and subscribe for more of my videos. See you.